Hello, this is Tom from Stafford Audi, and today I'll be taking you around this approved used Audi Q5 Black Edition 40 TDI Quattro S Tronic. This particular model comes in the stunning ultra blue metallic paintwork and looks super sporty, stylish and modern from every angle. From the 2-litre turbocharged diesel engine you get 201 brake horsepower and 400 Nm of torque. And this being the Black Edition, you get multiple elements of black styling, including the gloss black front and rear bumper elements, side skirts, window surrounds, gloss black badges, as well as the black roof bars. On the front we have these fabulous matrix LED headlights with LED daytime running lights, giving you maximum visibility regardless of weather condition. And on all four corners, these 21-inch Audi Sport 5 V-spoke star design alloy wheels finish in anthracite black with a diamond cut finish, offering a lovely contrast to that blue metallic paintwork and tying in really nicely with the gloss black styling package. The electrically operated tailgate can be opened with a touch of a button to reveal ample room for your everyday essentials, weekend away luggage and weekly family shop. The rear seats can also be folded down to offer that extra bit of storage space. The interior is finished in part leather, part Alcantara for maximum luxury, with more gloss black elements on the door cards. Centre armrest and tri-zone climate control mean that the rear passengers have maximum comfort and can set their own air conditioning temperature. And both outer seats are fitted with Isofix points so you can safely and securely travel up to 2 child seats in the rear of the vehicle. In the front we have the flat bottom S-line multifunction steering wheel with the Audi virtual cockpit behind, as well as the central touchscreen display and dual zone climate control. Both front seats are sports seats with the S badge embossed in at the top, and they are manually adjustable with 4-way electric lumbar support, so finding your perfect driving position has never been easier. The virtual cockpit is configurable using the left side of the multifunction steering wheel. On the right is your volume and voice control, such as mid-journey phone calls and radio station changes, and underneath to the left your cruise control and speed limiter for those longer motorway journeys. From the central touchscreen display you can access Apple CarPlay or Android Auto, as well as DAB and FM radio stations or simply navigation. Underneath the climate control is the Audi Drive Select, giving you maximum control of the overall feel and drive of the vehicle, as well as the Park Assist buttons, which brings up the front and rear sensors and rear view camera to make parking all the easier. And in these super tight awkward spaces you have Park Assist, where you have to just follow the prompts on screen to change gear, accelerate and brake, and the car will park itself for you. With the dual zone climate control, both driver and passenger can be at different temperatures or synchronised if you're in the car on your own, and both front seats have 3 levels of heat to them, which is perfect for those cold winter mornings. Thank you for watching this video on the approved used Audi Q5 Black Edition at Stafford Audi. If you have any more questions or queries, please do not hesitate to contact our sales team and ask them yourself.